Imagine this. Two people are using AI in 2026. One is making money, growing fast, and staying ahead. The other is becoming lazy, replaceable, and falling behind. What's the difference? The difference is not the AI, it's how they use it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, where we talk about social media, making money online, and growing in the digital world. And today I'm going to show you how to use AI wisely in 2026 so it helps you, not replace you. AI is not here to think for you. It is here to assist you thinking. Most people are doing this wrong. They copy everything AI gives them: scripts, captions, ideas, without adding their own voice. And guess what? That makes your content generic, and that makes you replaceable. Instead, use AI to generate ideas. Use AI to improve your work. Use AI to save time. But always ask yourself, what is my input here? Because your uniqueness is your power. Point number 2, do not let AI make you lazy. Let's be honest. AI is convenient, too convenient. You stop thinking, you stop researching, you stop being creative, and slowly you lose your edge. In 2026, the winners will not be the people who depend on AI. They will be people who combine AI with their own intelligence. Just use AI to speed up your work, but still train your brain. Because if AI disappears tomorrow, can you still start on your own? Point number 3, use AI to make money, not just consume. Most people use AI for fun, asking random questions, generating jokes, playing around. But smart people, they use AI to start online businesses. They use AI to create content. They use AI to learn high-income skills. They use AI to automate income streams. So, if you're not using AI to improve your financial life in 2026, you are already behind. Point number 4, be careful what you trust. Not everything AI tells you is correct. AI can make mistakes. AI can give outdated information. AI can make you sound confident but be wrong. So always double check important information. Think critically. Don't believe everything blindly. Because wisdom is not just using AI. It is knowing when not to trust it. Point number 5, protect your identity and creativity. There is something people are ignoring. If you rely too much on AI, your ideas stop being original. Your voice disappears. Your creativity fades. And in a world full of AI content, people will pay attention to real humans. So use AI, but never lose your voice, never lose your personality, and never lose perspective. Because that's what makes people follow you. So, in a nutshell, AI is not your enemy, but it can quietly become your limitation. That is, if you are not careful. In 2026, AI will not replace humans, but humans who use AI wisely will replace those who don't use AI. My question today to you is, are you in control of AI or is AI controlling you? As I conclude, if you got value from this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed, and share this information with someone who is using AI in the wrong way. On this channel, we talk about growing online, we talk about making money, we talk about staying ahead in the digital world, among other things. And trust me, You don't want to be left behind. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.